Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Pull yourself up a chair and sit down and let's cook something together. Today we're gonna make some cheesy sausage balls, and man are these things ever delicious. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to get your oven warm at 350. The ingredients are simple: a quarter cup of milk, 1 pound of sausage, 2 cups of shredded cheese. I'm going to use fresh because it's better than just buying the bag shredded cheese. So I'm going to shred this up. I'm going to use sharp white and smoked Gouda, 2.5 cups of pancake mix, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to use our stand mixer for this. So we're going to add all the ingredients together. The first thing I'm going to do is add in my sausage, add my flour, my teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of white sharp cheddar, freshly shredded, and 1 cup of smoked Gouda, freshly shredded. Add in your milk. I'm only going to add half of it and then see if I need to add the other half. And we're going to put the paddle on this and mix it together. So here we go. And we're just going to get that all mixed together nice and good. And then we're going to put it on a greased cookie sheet or parchment paper cookie sheet and roll them into like walnut-sized balls. It looks like we need the rest of the milk, so we're going to go ahead and add that now. I got my cookie sheet lined with my parchment paper. We have this all mixed together. You can see what a nice good texture this is now. So now we're just going to roll these out into walnut-sized balls and place them on the cookie sheet. All right, there they are, all rolled out. We have a total of 37. I don't like odd numbers, but that's what it is. So we're going to put these in the oven for 20 minutes. We're going to check them. They can bake up to 40 depending on how much of the crispy cheesiness you want. So let's pop those babies in. All right, it's been 20 minutes, so let's take a peek. Oh yeah, they're looking pretty good. Gonna let them go for just a couple more minutes. There we go. All right, we're just gonna pull these babies right on out. We're just gonna cut into one here so you can see what it looks like. And they're just like a little sausage ball. It's more like bread with a sausage taste. Probably would be good with some syrup, but I would add more cheese the next time I make these because I wanted it more cheesy. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop any comments down below. Appreciate y'all watching. Help me get to that 100,000 subscribers. Bye, y'all.